Hi, today I would like to talk about operators in C Sharp, which seems to have a question mark in the operator itself somewhere. So let's get started. Basically, I have a small console program and I've started it and I'm also running it. So it's very easy to demonstrate what's going on. So first thing we see here is in front of I have a question mark. What it means is basically it converts this as a nullable type, so I can have a value of null and as well as normal integers. This can be useful if you wanted to have I set a value which is not a valid value, and for some reason all the integer values could be considered as valid, so you could do something like this. So this is straightforward I x. So if I touch on I, you can see it is being accessed in all these places. So initially I is null. Here we are not doing anything, we are just reading it. So here I print the value of I, so you can see the value of I is printed to be nothing. So the way the console.writeLine works, if there is nothing, it just prints a space. So that takes care of the first instance here. If I look at x is also going to be nullable and it has an initial value of null, but as you would notice that x is being set up here with two question mark operators. So in case you're wondering what the two question mark operator means, it basically means on the left hand side, if the value is null, the value of this whole assignment is going to be what's on the right hand side. In the right hand side we have 5. So you can see the value of x is going to be 5 because this was null on the left hand side, so we get 5. So when it prints x is equal to 5, so it's printing x equal to 5. So if you look at x is 5, so we again have this double question mark operator, and basically it will take the value on the left hand side because x is not null, x is really 5. So that's why the y is also going to be 5. You can see that y is 5 and that's what it is printing, y is equal to 5. And this is z is a more traditional operator called a ternary operator. Basically what it's saying is if this thing is true, then the value is going to be this, otherwise the value is going to be this. So in this case I is null, which is true, so the z is going to be 8 and it prints 8. So that's pretty much what all these programs do. So thank you for watching this short scratch. If you want to learn more and watch many other videos, you can just basically go to my website Gaur Associates and search for videos about different things. So example, if I wanted to learn about carpool, here cross-site scripting, I could just click and I can go to and learn about various things. Thank you for watching the short screencast. Yeah.